Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. Good day. Here's my video about chemical reaction. A chemical reactions is a process that leads to the chemical transformation of one set of chemical substance to another. Classically, chemical reactions encompass changes that only involve the position of electrons in the forming and breaking of chemical bonds between atoms with no change to the nuclei, no change to the elements present, and can often be described by a chemical equation. Nuclear chemistry is a sub-discipline of chemistry that involves the chemical reaction of stable and radioactive elements where both electronic and nuclear chains can occur. The substance or substance initially involved in a chemical reactions are called reactions or reagents. Chemical reactions are usually characterized by a chemical change, and they yield or more products which usually had properties different from the reactions. Reactants often consists a sequence of individual sub-steps, the so-called elementary reactions, and the information of the process course of actions is part of the reactions mechanism. Chemical reactions are described with chemical equations with symbolically present the starting materials and end products, and sometimes intermediate products and reactions condition. Chemical reactions happen at a characteristic reactions rate at a given temperature, chemical concentration. Typically, reaction rates increase with increasing temperature because there is more thermal energy available to reach the activation energy necessary for breaking bonds between atoms. Reaction may process in the forward or reverse directions until they'll go to classification, to completion, or reach equilibrium. Reactions that process in the forward directions to approach equilibrium are often described as spontaneous and reduce the free energy if they occur at constant temperature and pressure. Non-spontaneous reactions require impact of energy to go forward. Examples include charging a battery driven by internal electrical power source, of photosynthesis driven by absorption of electromagnetic radiation, usually in the form of sunlight. Reactions may be classified as redox, in which oxidation and reductions occur of non-redox, in which there is non-oxidation or reduction occurring. Most simple redox reactions may be classified as combination, decomposition, or single displacement reaction. Different chemical reactions are used during chemical synthesis in order to obtain a desired product. In biochemistry or consecutive series chemical reactions, where the product of one reaction is reactant or the next reactions for metabolic pathways, the reactions are often catalyzed by protein enzymes. Enzymes increase the rates of biochemical reactions so that metabolic synthesis and the compositions is possible under ordinary conditions. So there are 10 examples of chemical change: composition, oxidation, rusting, biological decomposition or fermentation, cooking an egg, photosynthesis, chemical decomposition, reaction acid and base together, chemical batteries, digestion, fireworks, fireworkers, paper burning. An example of physical change: ice melting, water changing phase, salt dissolving, and water and compound is simply going into solution, breaking a gas into phase, cutting paper into phase, water evaporating into the air, mixing oil and water, paint through the color change, melting wax, and that's all. Thank you.